Alright, this is a big mixed lot of Arkansas stones. Some are round files, there's one square file, there's a bunch of little finger stones. Some are a lot of soft Arkansas, soft, black hard, translucent, file, trans, and translucent, slightly. Yeah, no, translucent. Okay. So there you go. Let me go through all these one at a time quickly. None of these are going to be perfect, mind you. Just doing a little bit of spring cleaning, sort of a spring cull. Chips. Features on the stone, chips. Translucent. This one is, hold on, wait for it. 4.5 by, let's see, about 1. Actually 1 1/16. 4.5 by 1 1/16 by, I want to say, hold on, about 1/2. 4.5, 1 1/16, 1/2. Translucent. Again, perfect. This one is about 6 and 1 2 3 4 6 and 5/16 by, I want to say 1 2 3 4 5/8 by, hold on, let me do it over here so I can read my tape measure. 1 2 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7/16. Translucent. Hard black. Hard black. Zoom out. This one is 5 by 1 1/4 by about 1/2. Thereabouts. Going quick here now. I'm trying to speed up. Soft. About 6. Looks like 6 by 1 and 8, 1 9/16 by, this might be a quarter, a little over 1/4 of an inch, even though it doesn't look like it on camera. Yeah, but I'd say about 1/4 of an inch. Black, hard. This one is damage. Four and a half at max, but there's damage, like I said. Maybe 15/16 of an inch by, hold on, sorry about the camera, I'm trying to, 1 2, 3, 3/16. Hard black. None of these are prepped anyway. Black rod. This one is, sorry, 3.5 by 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, 3, 3/8, thereabouts. Translucent square file. Sorry. This one has some damage. Anyway. It is 4. This French fry is 4 by, I think, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 930 seconds by, no, 930 seconds. Okay. Translucent, broad, one end broken. This one is like 2 3/4 at the longest by 1, 2, 3/8 again. This is also hard black. I did that one. Sorry. Translucent. I think it's another 3/8 of an inch. In length and width, but see with length. In length, it's 4. Same deal, translucent. 4, 3/8 of an inch. Translucent. Itty bitty file. Damaged on one end. Translucent. 2 1/4 by. Actually, it's a little chippy on both ends. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like 3/16. Onward. Wedge. Use it as a doorstop if you wish. Or stone. 3. 2. And yeah. The rest is the rest. Hold on. 2 broken pieces of soft on one end. I would say 3 3/4 on that one, and I would say 3 1/4 on the other at max. I think they're both an inch. Yeah, about an inch. I think these are all inch. Okay, soft. 3.5 by an inch. Soft. 2 and sorry. Let me pick a 1, 2. It's like 3 by 1, 2, 3 by 3/4 by 1, 2, 3, 3/8. Soft. 3. About 1. I would say this one is 1/2. soft, soft. One side's broken on this one. Let's just say 3 overall. I think it's 1 in width, and the depth is variable. Soft. Sorry. It's not lost on me. The camera work is terrible in this. So 3 by 1 by, I think, 1/4. No, less than 1/4 actually. 1, 2, 3/16. Translucent. 3 maximum. 15/16. Like 3/16. And that's all of them. One lot. Various Arkansas stones. I thank you.